Burn Center has been here for about 50 years. It's been quite an evolution from opening in the 1970s until where we're at today. As a center starting out, it was very much focused on serving burn injuries within Santa Clara County proper. But over time, as the unit accelerated and demonstrated excellence, it started to become much more of a regional burn center. And I love being able to work at an institution where I treat across all races, all socioeconomic status, every background. Burns happen to everybody. And it's just so great to be able to connect with people from that diversity of backgrounds and know that I can provide the best care possible. And thankfully, the county really prioritizes burn care, takes this very seriously, and shares in our mission and mindset to be this resource for the whole Bay Area.
Hi, I'm Ria, and I experienced the burn, and I got treatment here at the Santa Clara Valley Medical Center. So I was at a Diwali party, and then there was like a fire, and then my dress caught on fire, so then I went in the ambulance, and then I came to the burn unit here. I was a little bit scared, but I had confidence that it would be better because like there were a lot of people telling me like, it's okay, it's gonna be fine. You know, other people have gone through this too, and they're okay now.
To be able to meet people at a time when they've had these really severe events happen in their life, and to be able to meet them at that point and say, not only is a future possible, but we're gonna help you take those steps to make that future, and not only are you gonna go back to living, but you're gonna go back to enjoying life. That is just really what it's all about, and I think Ria's a wonderful example of that. She just worked so hard when she was here with us, and you could just feel it. She was doing all of her exercises, and her parents were so wonderful too. They would really be her cheerleaders, and that work that all of them put in, it really shows in how well she's doing now.
I never knew that she could overcome such a big challenge in her life. The determination she had, you know, I don't know where she got that from, but I am so happy that she had that resilience in her. She is so determined. She is determined still, and the way she took this injury was amazing. The nurses and the doctors were amazing. They were just not doing their job. They were doing much more. They were doing that extra mile, which really, really made a very good impact. Though we were very unlucky, we came to the right spot, and this is the best place to be if we have an injury, burn injury. So I'm very grateful for that.